How to copy and paste from wikipedia.org into Microsoft Word. We'll start today's lesson by opening up your favorite web browser. In most cases, that would be Internet Explorer. Double-click on the Internet Explorer icon to start the web browser. When the web browser opens, we'll navigate our cursor to the address bar located just below the title bar towards the top of the window, and we need to click somewhere within this white space one time using the left mouse button. After we click, you'll notice that the address, otherwise also called URL, is highlighted now in the address bar. Whenever you see that blue highlighting surrounding a string of text, you can type in a new address or any additional or alternative text that you'd like, and it will replace the existing text like so. I'm going to type in www.wikipedia.org, which is wikipedia.org, the online encyclopedia. We'll press the Enter key on the keyboard to navigate to that address, and the wikipedia.org website should pull up directly within the browser window. Now I'm going to navigate my cursor down to the text box at the bottom of the screen, just to the left of the word English. I'll click inside the empty text box to type in the topic of our search for today, which is, you can type in a person, a place, or thing, and let's type in blue whales, and we can press the Enter key on the keyboard, or we can click this button just to the right of the word English. Whatever topic you decide to search for, we could have typed in a person, a place, a historical event, anything that you'd normally look up in an encyclopedia. That information, or the page that provides information pertaining to the topic that we searched for, should pull up in the Wikipedia browser window as you see here on the screen. I'm going to scroll down to find an image that I'd like to save. There's usually several images on the Wikipedia pages, and for today, let's choose a picture of this whale. I'll click on the image to enlarge the picture. When I have the enlarged picture on the screen, we'll save the image by right-clicking using your right mouse button. And the option we need to click on to save the image is Save Picture As. I can click on that option using the left mouse button. As soon as you click your left mouse button and release, the dialog box called the Save As dialog box appears on the screen. That's this window. The main thing is saving the image in a location that you can remember, normally My Documents or a folder that you already have created somewhere. To make the lesson simple for today, we're going to choose the My Documents folder by clicking My Documents, and we'll change the name of the image to Blue Whale. We'll press the Save button, and now I'll press the back button, and I want to start by highlighting text at the top of the screen, which we're going to copy and paste into Microsoft Word. To get back to the top of the document, there's a shortcut you can use by pressing the following keys on your keyboard. press down and hold the CTRL button, which stands for control, and then press the home key with another finger. Just tap that down once, control home, and it navigates the document back to the top. What we're going to do is highlight or select the first paragraph of text in the document by placing the cursor just to the left of the letter T. I'll click and hold my left mouse button down when the cursor is in the right position. Keep in mind, you want to put your cursor so close to the letter T that it actually changes from an arrow into an I-shaped beam. Then you know that's the cue to click and hold the left mouse button. As you're holding the left mouse button, you want to pull the mouse straight down towards your body. You can keep going down until the area that you designate has been completely selected. So we'll stop at squid for today. I'm going to let go and release my finger from the mouse button, and I can highlight or copy this information by clicking the word edit on the menu bar and then the word copy. Now we need to start Microsoft Word to paste this information. I'm going to start Microsoft Word the fastest way I know how by clicking the Start button in the left corner and then clicking on the Run command. In the box that appears, normally at home this box will be empty, you can type in WINWORD if you have Microsoft Word installed. Then click OK, and that will launch Microsoft Word. To paste the information that we just copied, we'll click on Edit and then the option that says Paste. Immediately after that, you should see the text appear on the screen. Now, we saved an image earlier which we'd like to insert in this document to give it a little more flavor, and we'll do that by clicking Insert, point to the word Picture, and then click on From File. If you remember, we saved that image in the My Documents folder, so I'm going to click My Documents and I'll find the icon entitled Blue Whale. That's what we named it. So I'm going to click on that icon and press the Insert button. You'll notice that the image appears on the document. Okay, now let's add a quick title to this document by clicking just to the left of the T in the Blue Whale, and I'm going to press the Enter key, which will knock down the entire page or paragraph one line. That'll give us room to add a title. To add our title, we're going to click in that first line of space that's now available after pressing Enter, and I need to align the cursor in the middle of the document by pressing the Center Alignment button on the formatting toolbar. Okay, we'll choose a larger font size like 20. We can click the bold formatting button, and I'm going to press the cap lock key on the keyboard, allowing all of my text typed in after this point to be capitalized. So the title of this document will be Blue Whales, B-L-U-E space W-H-A-L-E-S. That looks good, and what I'll do is save the document by clicking File and then Save As. Once again, we'll choose a location such as a folder or a common location like My Documents. The document can be called Blue Whales. That's a perfect name for it, and we'll press the Save button. Alright, once the document's been saved, we can close out, and that'll conclude this portion of our lesson. Thank you very much.